Hi everyone and welcome to Succeed Services Tutoring, the English Language Educas Paper 2, question 1.1 video. I hope you're all well and I hope you're ready to learn about how to get full marks on this question. So what is question 1.1 paper 2? It is the first question that you will answer in the reading section and it is only worth 3 marks, okay? So we really don't want to spend that long on this question. How long should you spend on question 1.1? Okay, 3 marks means 3 minutes. Always look at the number of marks. It will always tell you how much detail you should put in your answers and how long you should spend on a question. So 3 marks here means 3 minutes, maximum 4 minutes. Okay, I always suggest reading through the text before you start any questions. So it gives you a really good idea about the key themes, what the purpose of the text is, what's the format, etc. So what is it asking me to do? So it's asking you to identify information. So this is assessment objective number 1. Now, there's 2 ways we can do that. There's explicit information which we need to identify, and there's implicit information we need to identify. So which one do you think this question is asking us for? Drum roll, please. It is explicit information. That is information which is quite obvious to us. Implicit is more kind of reading between the lines or information which has kind of hidden meaning. What do you need to remember? Read the question twice and scan the text for the correct answers, okay? So make sure you really understand what the question is asking you. What are the keywords of each question? Have a good understanding of the text. Don't spend too long, okay? We need to focus on those bigger mark questions. So really only maximum 4 minutes. And 3 correct points is 3 marks. So 1 answer per question. Do not write paragraphs and massive sentences for each answer. It's only worth 1 mark, okay? So not a lot of information is needed here. Let's do an example together. So pause the video, go get all the materials you need, and then let's begin. Okay, so the first thing I would do is highlight the keywords of a question. I would do this for all the questions that you get in the exam. So for me, what I would highlight is the date, the name of the boat, and how long. That's really going to focus your mind on which pieces of information you need to get from the text. Take 4 minutes now to write down your answers. Okay, here are our answers. So, how many did you get correct? Comment below. You'll see that they are not writing massive sentences or paragraphs. They are really just writing a few words per question because it's only worth 1 mark and you really need to focus your attention on those bigger mark questions. But they are easy marks to pick up, okay? So we still want to make sure we pay attention to what the question is asking us. So, in summary, the question is asking you to identify information. Only spend a maximum of 4 minutes, and if you get stuck, reread the text. Okay? If you need any help with your revision, we offer a lot of different courses, so make sure you get in touch with us. But if you have any questions, feel free to comment them below or send us a message. Good luck.